If your spouse or your ex-spouse, and you were married at least 10 years, has passed away, and you are looking into what are your Social Security survivor, your widow or widower benefits. How much can you get? When can you get it? And what are the rules surrounding it? Well, first of all, let's say I just got married. We were married at least 9 months. I don't have to be married 10 years if my existing spouse dies. Everybody's confused about that. I only have to be married 9 months. And there's some exceptions to that. But we were married 9 months. He passed away. Can I get anything right now? Well, right now I'm only 56. So I'd have to be 60 to be eligible to get a widow benefit. Now, if I had a child in care, because we had a minor child, then I could get some money now, and it would stop when that child graduates high school. Then it would start again at 60, because I have some people are like, well, she got it at 40. That's different. So I'm turning 60. I'm getting ready to turn 60. What do I do? If you are working, you're not going to be able to earn over the Social Security earnings limit for 2023. It's $21,240. I just say $21,000. So you're like, well, my job pays me $40,000, and I would like to get my job, my $41,000 salary, and some money from Social Security because my husband died and I'm down in income and I need the money, right? It doesn't work that way. You can only make $21,240 and get your reduced widow retirement. If you make over that $21,000, for every $2 you go over it, they're going to reduce your Social Security by $1. So you go over it a couple thousand, it's okay. But if you're going to make $5,000 or $10,000 over it, don't draw your widow pension yet. Now, to draw your widow pension at 60, you cannot have remarried before 60. And I get a lot of people that are like, I want to get married. When can I get married? You can get married after 60. So 60 in one day, go get married. You're still eligible to draw that widow pension off of your former spouse or your deceased ex-spouse, even though you got remarried. Now, I'm 60, I'm single, I'm not working. I retired, not working. I just want my Social Security retirement. Okay, how much can you get? You can get up to 100% of what your husband was drawing if he was drawing Social Security, or what he would have gotten had he lived to his full retirement age. Because a lot of people said he died at 56, like he didn't make it to full retirement age. What happens? You're going to draw what he would have drawn had he lived to his full retirement age. Now, for you to get that full 100%, you have to be your full retirement age. So you can't get it at 60. So if you get my Social Security and Medicare cheat sheet, which you need to go to our website, themedicarefamily.com, go to the top of the page where it says resources right there. Scroll down, it says 2023 Medicare and Social Security cheat sheet. Click on that, put in your email address. It does not download, it'll go automatically to your email. So go do that, because I need you to follow along with me if you're getting ready to claim widow benefits, so that you're following this sheet along with me. If you're following along with me and you're saying, when should I take my widow benefits? You can take it from 60 to 70. There's no benefit to waiting past 70. So if you take it at 60, the earliest time that you can get it, you're not going to get 100% because you're not your full retirement age. So on this chart, I'm assuming your full retirement age is 67. It's actually a little earlier than that, but that just made it easier for me. So if you take it at 60, you're going to get 71.5%. And you're like, well, that's okay. I'm giving up some. But when I reach my full retirement age, then I'll get 100%. No. Everybody thinks that. That is wrong. You might have been told that by many people. It is wrong. When you start to draw your widow benefits, what age? 64, you would get 87%. If you wait till 67, you get 100%. Whenever you start to draw your benefits, you're locking that amount in permanently for the rest of your life. It's not going to go up because you got a year older. It's not going to go up because you reached your full retirement age. It's not going to go up when you turn 70. The only reason it would go up is if you do get a cost of living increase that everybody on Social Security gets in January. Some years we don't have it. In 2023, we're having a historically high one, 8.7%. But we've had many years where there wasn't any either. So in general, just say whenever you decide to draw your benefits, that's going to be a permanent amount you're going to get for the rest of your life. Now, if you want to draw it at 60, how do you do it? You will need to call Social Security and call them 3 months before you're eligible. It takes them a while to do it. And no, they don't give you back pay. Like, oh, I forgot to do this. No, just so put it on your calendar 3 months before you're 60 if you're going to draw at 60, assuming you're not working at 60, earning over the income limit for 2023, which is $21,000. I know, a lot of math, but this is money. This is very important to your future. Now, let's say you have heard that for your own individual Social Security, if you wait to draw till 70, you get these delayed retirement credits, this guaranteed 8%. And so if you wait to draw till 70, you'll get 124% of your benefit. So the government's trying to incentivize you heavily, right? So if your husband waited till 70 to draw his Social Security, do you benefit from that? And you see over here where it says survivor benefits? No. The most you get is 100% of what he was eligible for at his full retirement age. Because I had a lot of men that are like, I'm going to work longer because I want my wife to get more money. I want to help her out. In that respect, you're not getting part of the benefit. He is getting part of the benefit. So you're going to see the reduction decreases as you get older. And then the last question is, but I work too. Could I ever switch back to my own individual Social Security retirement? Yes, that's the best and least known strategy in Social Security, is that if I'm going to draw off my spouse at 60, my money's over there. I worked all those years and it's growing and it's still growing. And it could actually become a larger amount than my widow benefit. At least by 70, when it maxes out, you're going to want to switch if it's higher, but you could switch at any time. You could switch in any of these intervening years. If it's a higher amount, you could jump on the higher amount, just call Social Security, and they can switch you. In general, with Social Security, once you take a benefit, you're not switching. You can't switch from yours to your spouse's to your ex. Most of that is prohibited. But this, switching from a widow benefit back to your own benefit, when it gets bigger, you can do it anytime. You don't have to do it at your full retirement age. You don't have to do it at 70. There's really no benefit to not doing it by 70, but you don't have to do it ever, and you don't have to do it at a certain time. It's your choice. If you have questions, make sure you download the Social Security and Medicare cheat sheet from our website. It's very self-explanatory. Download it, study it. It's your retirement guide. If you have questions about Medicare, call us at the Medicare Family. We're here to help. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.